Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter Agriculture. Now, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the world's most important industry. It provides us with almost all our food. It also supplies materials for two other basic needs, that is clothing and shelter. Agriculture provides materials used in making many industrial products. About half the workers in the world are employed in agriculture. In India, agriculture has great importance. About 65% of its population still lives by agriculture. The share of agriculture in the gross national product has slowly come down from about 60.5% in 1951 to 56 to about 27.5% in 1988 to 99 due to industrialization. Even then, the importance of agriculture cannot be minimized, as it feeds our ever increasing population and supports 2/3 population engaged in agriculture activities. Agriculture provides raw materials for agro-based industries, substantially contributes to our national income and provides huge employment in agro-based industries. In 1950 to 51, in India, the area under food grains was as high as 76.7%. By 1994 to 95, it came down to 66.9% as agriculture was diversified to produce raw materials for the fast-growing industries. Agriculture includes farming, animal rearing, fishing, and forestry. Since independence, agriculture has made rapid progress and the food production has increased 3 times because of our hard-working farmers and favorable soil and climatic conditions. Our country is fortunate enough to have 46.6% of our land under cultivation. Now, what are the problems faced by Indian agriculture? Our agriculture suffers from certain problems such as a small size of holdings. Every possible piece of land has been put under cultivation because of tremendous pressure of population. 1/3 of the land holdings are less than half hectare in size. Bulk of the landowners are very poor farmers, with their holdings being too small to support them and their families. Then second, quite low yield per hectare. Per hectare yield of food grains and other crops is much lower than those in many countries of the world. Then dependence upon rain. Only 1/4 of the crop area in India is under irrigation and rest of the area is totally depend upon rainfall. Rain in India are unreliable and inadequate. Next, subsistence agriculture. In large part of India is substances in nature. That is why we used to import huge quantity of agriculture products. Orthodox peasantry. Traditionally, Indian farmers is orthodox in outlook and does not accept changes easily. Low soil fertility. Soils in India have been in use since thousands of years. This has naturally yield to their field. Now, what are the measures taken for improvement of Indian agriculture? That is, institutional changes, consolidation of holdings. The government carried out consolidation of holdings because earlier the holdings were scattered, which led to wastage of land in form of field boundaries. Abolition of Zamitari. The British had started the Zamitari system only for their convenience. After independence, this system was abolished and the land was restored to actual cultivators. The next, selling on land holdings. Selling was placed on the land with a view to check the growth of large holdings in future. Fixation of agriculture support prices. Earlier, the prices of the agriculture produce totally depend upon the village trader or the urban commission agent. Government therefore started fixing minimum support price for various crops. Government also helped farmers by setting up state farms, cooperatives, societies and banks. Awareness program for the farmers. Widespread use of radio and television has made farmers aware of new technology in cultivation, especially weather forecast, weather bulletins for farmers on radio and television. Crop crop insurance. It protects farmers against loss caused by crop failure due to natural calamities like flood, droughts, fire, etc. Now you have to write question and answer in your fair copy. Explain the problems of Indian agriculture. Describe the technical and institutional reforms occurred in Indian agriculture.